Thanks for joining. What if you could spend less time on manual research and more time building relationships? ChatGPT can make that a reality, dramatically boosting efficiency for sales professionals. Welcome! Today we're diving into how salespeople are leveraging ChatGPT to transform their daily workflows. We'll start by exploring the core ways AI supports sales. Then, we'll introduce the powerful RCTFC framework for crafting effective prompts. With that foundation, we'll move into practical applications, like dramatically cutting down time on meeting prep, personalizing your outreach, and even using ACI for skill refinement through role-playing. You'll gain practical strategies to integrate ChatGPT into your sales process, boosting your effectiveness and freeing up valuable time. Let's kick things off by understanding the fundamental ways ChatGPT can act as your personal sales copilot. It's not about replacing human connection. It's about augmenting your abilities, helping you work smarter, not just harder. Think of it as an intelligent assistant that handles the heavy lifting of information processing and content generation, allowing you to focus on strategic interactions and building stronger customer relationships. This shift means more impact with less effort. ChatGPT can streamline several key sales activities. First, it excels at quickly synthesizing vast amounts of information for research, giving you a competitive edge. Second, it's a wizard at generating personalized content, from emails to LinkedIn messages, saving you hours. Third, it can help you strategize by analyzing scenarios and suggesting approaches. And finally, as we'll see, it's a fantastic tool for practicing pitches and handling objections, accelerating your professional development. It's about empowering you to be more effective across the board. The key takeaway here is that AI acts as a powerful augmentation tool for sales professionals. It doesn't replace the human element, but enhances it, handling the data and content generation so you can focus on building relationships. By leveraging AI for research, personalized content creation, strategic support, and skill development, you gain a significant advantage, becoming more efficient and impactful in your sales journey. To get the most out of ChatGPT, you need to speak its language. That means crafting clear, effective prompts. The secret sauce? A framework we call RCTFC. This isn't just a set of rules. It's a mental model that helps you structure your requests, so ChatGPT understands exactly what you need, leading to far more useful and relevant outputs. Let's break down each component of this powerful framework. The RCTFC framework stands for Role, Context, Task, Format, and Constraint. First, Role tells ChatGPT to act as someone specific, like a seasoned sales director or marketing analyst. Second, Context gives it all the necessary background info. Third, Task is the core instruction. What exactly do you want it to do? Fourth, Format dictates how the output should look, such as a bulleted list or a persuasive email. And finally, Constraint adds any specific rules or limitations, ensuring the output meets your precise needs. Using all 5 elements consistently will dramatically improve your results. The main takeaway from mastering the RCTFC framework is that it provides a systematic way to structure your prompts for maximum effectiveness. By clearly defining the role, providing context, specifying the task, outlining the desired format, and adding any necessary constraints, you guide the AI to produce outputs that are far more accurate, relevant, and actionable. This thoughtful approach transforms generic requests into powerful, targeted commands, truly unlocking ChatGPT's potential. Now that you understand how to craft powerful prompts, let's apply the RCTFC framework to one of a salesperson's most critical activities: preparing for client meetings. This is an area where ChatGPT can be an absolute game changer, transforming hours of manual research into minutes, allowing you to walk into every meeting feeling confident and fully equipped. We'll explore how to get AI to do the heavy lifting for you. ChatGPT can tackle several aspects of meeting preparation. It can quickly gather and summarize key information about a company and its industry, identifying recent news or challenges. It can help you build a detailed prospect persona, anticipating their likely priorities and pain points. You can even ask it to conduct a quick competitor analysis related to your solution. All this leads to highly relevant talking points and intelligent questions, ensuring you're always one step ahead. It's like having a dedicated research team at your fingertips. Here's an example of an RCTFC prompt for meeting preparation. Notice how we assign the role, of an experienced account executive. We provide detailed context about the prospect, their recent initiative, and our solution. The task is broken down into specific deliverables like key facts, pain points, discovery questions, and a value proposition. We specify the format as a bulleted list for clarity, and finally, add constraints on tone and focus. This comprehensive prompt ensures a highly relevant and actionable output, tailored exactly to your needs for that crucial discovery call. Now it's your turn to put RCTFC into practice. This lab prompt allows you to prepare for your very own next meeting. You'll fill in the bracketed placeholders with your specific role, industry, prospect details, and product information. Notice how it mirrors the structure we just discussed, guiding ChatGPT to produce a targeted brief. This exercise is also detailed in your free lab guide linked in the description. So pause the video now, fill in your details, run this prompt, and then rejoin us to see what good results look like. Alright, let's look at an example of a great meeting prep brief that our prompt generated. Notice how the key insights are specific and directly tied to the prospect's stated goals. The potential challenges are clearly articulated pain points that our solution, SupplyFlow Pro, is designed to address. The discovery questions are open-ended and crafted to encourage the prospect to elaborate on their unique situation, steering away from simple yes/no answers. Finally, the tailored value proposition is concise and directly links our product's benefit to their specific strategic initiative, making it incredibly powerful. This detailed output saves you valuable time and ensures you're ready for a truly impactful conversation. The key takeaway for accelerating meeting preparation is that ChatGPT significantly reduces the time spent on gathering and synthesizing information. It's exceptional at conducting rapid company, prospect, and competitor research, and then using that data to generate highly relevant talking points and insightful discovery questions. This allows you to walk into every meeting feeling confident and fully prepared, ensuring you can focus on building rapport and driving meaningful conversations, rather than scrambling for basic facts. Beyond meeting preparation, ChatGPT is a phenomenal tool for crafting personalized outreach and follow-up messages. In today's competitive landscape, generic communications simply don't cut it. Personalization is key to standing out and building genuine connections. Let's explore how you can leverage AI to generate highly targeted emails, LinkedIn messages, and follow-up notes that resonate with your prospects and clients, all while maintaining your authentic voice. ChatGPT can assist across your communication lifecycle. For cold outreach, it helps you draft personalized opening lines based on research. For follow-up emails, it can summarize meeting outcomes and propose next steps, ensuring continuity. It's also great for drafting professional and concise LinkedIn messages. Most importantly, you can instruct it to adapt the tone and style of your messages to match your brand, your recipient's persona, or even a specific stage in the sales cycle. This level of customization ensures your messages always hit the mark. Here's an example prompt for a personalized follow-up email. We define the role as a friendly B2B sales representative, setting the right tone. The context includes specific details from the discovery call, like the prospect's name, company, role, and their key challenge. The task is clear. Draft a concise, personalized email. We specify the format and add constraints to ensure a professional, warm tone, a direct mention of their pain point, and a clear call to action. This comprehensive prompt ensures the email isn't just generic, but a powerful, tailored communication that resonates. The key takeaway here is that ChatGPT excels at generating highly personalized sales communications. By providing specific context about the prospect, their challenges, and your solution, you can create outreach and follow-up messages that truly resonate. Remember to always include details about the desired tone and format in your prompts to ensure the AI's output aligns perfectly with your brand and communication strategy, fostering stronger connections and driving better engagement. Finally, let's explore one of the most innovative ways salespeople are using ChatGPT. For skill development through role-playing, practicing pitches, handling objections, and refining your communication style are crucial for success, but often challenging to do alone. ChatGPT can act as your personal training partner, providing realistic scenarios and feedback. This means you can hone your skills anytime, anywhere, and be more prepared for real-world interactions. ChatGPT can simulate a wide range of prospect interactions, allowing you to practice various scenarios. You can have it generate common objections for your product or service, and then work through your responses, refining your persuasive language. It's also fantastic for practicing and perfecting your product pitches, ensuring clarity and impact. The best part is that you can ask ChatGPT to provide instant feedback on your approach, helping you identify areas for improvement. It's like having a dedicated sales coach on demand, without the pressure of a real client interaction. The key takeaway for refining skills with AI is that ChatGPT offers an accessible and effective way to practice crucial sales interactions. By engaging in role-play scenarios, you can hone your product pitches, anticipate and handle objections more effectively, and generally refine your communication style. This continuous, low-stakes practice ensures you're more prepared and confident when engaging with real prospects, ultimately leading to better outcomes and more successful sales conversations. We've covered a lot today on how salespeople are revolutionizing their workflows with ChatGPT. Remember, it's a powerful co-pilot that augments your efforts, freeing you to focus on high-value activities and genuine connection. By mastering the RCTFC framework, you can craft incredibly precise prompts that yield exactly what you need. This precision then translates into real-world benefits, like dramatically streamlining your meeting preparation, enabling hyper-personalized outreach that truly stands out, and even providing a private, pressure-free arena for you to practice and refine your sales skills. Embrace these tools, and you'll undoubtedly see a boost in your productivity and success. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tutorials like this one. You'll also find a free lab guide with all the prompts from this video linked in the description.